Alright guys, now this is a really interesting phenomena. These fire ants here have built a raft, and this is one of the ways that they get around. This is also one of the ways that they preserve the colony. And now these rafts can be really nasty, really nasty. Once they figure out that there's a like some kind of warm body or something that they can eat, they just rip it to shreds. Definitely not going to be putting my hand in the fire ant mound this time. It took over a year for those scars to heal from that video. Yeah, no way. I learned my lesson the stupid way with them. Alright. Let's just make sure you keep your eyes out for things like that when you're exploring floodwaters like this, because they're everywhere. They're literally everywhere. I've got a big pile right there. I've got a pile over here. There's a pile climbing up that rattle box over there. Just nasty. They're everywhere out here.